So this is how you can add keyframes in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to add keyframes to your videos. So this will be a very simple tutorial, so just follow my lead. Let's get started by dragging a clip down to our main clips, just like so. I already have a clip, so I'm just gonna delete this part so you won't get confused. And now let's tap on our clip and go to Basic in Videos. So, if you want to transform it and use keyframes, you can tap on this diamond thing right here and add keyframe. And then you can move it and then add another keyframe. So, in this second keyframe, you're going to want to move it or scale it up a bit. And as you can see, as we go through the episode, we go through the clip, it's going to enlarge to the point where it stops right here at the second keyframe. Now, if you want to do it for position, you can do so as well. Just add a keyframe and then add another keyframe here and then just start moving it. As you can see, it changes. So that's pretty much how you can scale and keyframe. You can also do it with opacity, like clicking on blend, tapping on keyframe, and then on another part you can tap on the keyframe as well, and then change the opacity so it fades out like so. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.